This video has about a little bit over a year since I posted it and went viral. So let's recreate the makeup to celebrate. Creamy eyeshadow base. Glittery black because glitter. I can use matte too, but glitter this time. What it's so funny to me about that specific video and the makeup there is that a lot of people said it's too much, I look like a clown and bullshit like that. And after that, on other on other makeups, I got requests of tutorials and how I did this look, how I did that look. See, karma is the bitch. But I love her. And now I'm adding dark purple and now some turquoise. A common comment that I got on this makeup is that I didn't blend the colors or that they don't look like they are blended or things like this, just because I don't want to blend them that much. I want to see the colors as they are, not the colors that they form when they are blended. I need to wipe the fallout because it's too much. And I look like I'm bruised. Black waterline foundation. This time I will do my brows. That time I didn't. Mascara. A little bit of blush. And nude lipstick. And even though I have the same makeup on, look at the lighting and how good this time looks compared with that time. I'm gonna call this What's the Point makeup because I'm What's the Point girl. I wish I had an outfit for this meme, but well, at least I have a makeup.